In this video, I will be showing you all how to do a half up, half down style on a versatile sew-in. I just start by combing the front portion of my hair up into the ponytail position. I add Gorilla Snot gel around the perimeter of my hairline. This is usually my go-to gel when I'm doing a molded hairstyle. It works well for my hair. Some people say it doesn't work well for theirs, but you have to get the gel that works for you. I make sure that my ponytail is good and secure. This is one of the main keys to a neat ponytail. I then separate my real hair from the extensions and I add Gorilla Snot gel on my real hair and I just wrap it around the ponytail. I wrap my real hair around the ponytail to make the ponytail look more neat and so that I won't have to worry about it not blending well with the extensions. So it's tucked away nice and neat around the ponytail. I then just do my edges. You know that the edges have to be on point, honey. The edges make the hairstyle, yes. It make it just pop a little bit more. So that's what I'm doing now. Just laying my edges. Once I'm done laying my edges, I then add a headscarf to make sure that they stay in place. And this helps set the edges so they won't roll back up. Being that my hair is natural, this is what I normally do. So once I'm done with that, I just take my scarf off and they are set in place. You could take a hairpin and put it in the middle of your ponytail to help this part stand up better if you want to. So that's what I'm going to do. Got it from the arts and crafts store. Just cut. Be careful with this wire. So that pretty much sums up this video. I just want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe before you go. And I will see you in the next one.